Ready, go. Go.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Mom and Mommy Man.
Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy Mayan.
And Papa.
And Papa.
And Papa.
Have a lovely day.
And Josh.
Say Uncle Josh. Say Uncle Josh. Oh my goodness. You don't want to say Uncle Josh? Mommy Mayan's not gonna be happy.
I'm moving.
Okay. Hey. Sorry, I'm wreck.
It was really last yesterday, but he was there for night. And we really got to the table and the door. It's really earning the best and it's really